Hi, welcome back guys. How to maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change region on Instagram. So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. And after that, you have to just click on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right side corner. And you have to make sure that your account is in a professional mode, not in personal mode. So if your account is not in personal mode, you have to just click on the three horizontal lines here. Then just go to the settings, and here over the account in the bottom you will find option to add a switch account into professional. So my account is already professional, that's why I'm not getting option. Now you have to just go here, now click on the edit profile here, right? And in the edit profile you will get the option where you can change the contact options, right? So just click on the contact option, and here you have to change your address, and make sure in the address the country or state, the region, you have to select on which region you want to change. That's it. And after that you have to click on the check mark, which is on the top right side corner, and that's it guys. Now your region has been changed over the Instagram. And after that, make sure that you also click here the tick mark, right? And that's it, it's completely. So this is easy guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.